Hi and welcome to this edition of Out the Box. My name is Paul. Today we're going to have a look at what is in this box. This is a Ruijie Reyee multi-WAN router, the EG105GW, then in brackets T. A fantastic little all-in-one router. Let me show you what you are going to get in the box. You are going to get a warranty card. I get very excited about this, really sorry. Why do I? Because you get 3 years of warranty, and for a router that has got only about a couple of $100, it is a really good thing to get at that price point. You are going to get a get started guide that's going to tell you everything about this. This device has quite a lot of features. You are going to get your Australian, because we're here, Australian power adapter, as you can see there. All right, and it's 12 volts connector there. Hopefully you can see. You are also going to get a packet of screws and lugs if you want to mount that on the wall. Why? Because you get a base plate. Let me show you that plate. Hopefully that will focus up there. Turn it around so you can see that. There are two options for mounting this. We can mount this on the side of the unit here, which is going to allow us to wall mount it, or maybe just sit it as a stand like this. And we have an option in the base here as well to be able to mount it so we can stand it upright. So those are all of the features in the device itself. All right, now this is quite difficult because it's black and the bright lights to get this to focus up, but let's have a look and see what we can do here. So the main thing that we've got over here is, this is, as I said, a multi-WAN router. So we have our 12 volt in here, and we have our first connection point. This will operate as a router, a repeater, and a wireless access point. So that's where your main connection is going to come in. We've then got an option with these being a small 4-port switch. These could all be LAN connections, or we can do multiple WAN connections. And it will do failover options. It will also do source and destination routing for those people who are worried about being able to do failover with HTTPS traffic. It's already geared up to do that. Then on this side over here, we are going to get a reset hole there and also a USB port. We get a number of lights indicators over on this side here. When it's totally running, we will also get some further indication happening over here. So that really is this unit. You actually get wireless access point built into this. This is wireless 5. All right, so you get the Ruijie RAP 2200 wireless access point built into this. We're seeing 500-600 megasecond really comfortably. Outperforms the Starlink router. If you want to see some reviews we've done, do head on over to our YouTube channel. But for basically a small form-factor multi-WAN router with wireless built in, this is a fantastic get-going device. Do head on over to our YouTube channel. We've got loads more box openings on wireless networking and firewall devices. Like I said, performance reviews on many of the Ruijie products. So head on over there and stay subscribed.